Hello, this is Adam from Thomas Bird. Today we're looking at our Bourne monk strap shoe. This is a double buckle monk. This pair is in a really nice hand-finished Oxblood patina. They can add a nice splash of colour to a neutral outfit and they look great with a blue suit. We also have other colours like tan, conker brown, blue and black. They're handcrafted in Italy using the finest full-grain calf leather. These are cap toe monks, and they do have a nice, elegant, rounded toe. The two silver buckles provide adjustability, say if you have a slightly higher instep, and just undoing the top buckle will help you put them on easier. A small detail, but even in hidden areas like under the strap, the leather is nicely finished. The straps and buckles make it a visually interesting and good-looking shoe, ideal for work and special occasions. The top line is neat, no raw edges, as we taper or skyve the edge, then fold the leather and stitch it. Looking inside, we see the Thomas Bird branding embossed into a piece of calf leather, which is foam packed for added comfort. The shoe has a full calf leather lining. This helps absorb moisture and prolong the life of the shoe, and we use a genuine full leather insole. Inside the heel, we use suede to stop your heel from slipping. What you can't see are the stiffeners between the calf upper and the lining, one at the toe and another at the back around the heel. These are important to keep the shoe looking good as it ages, and we use longer, higher quality stiffeners to achieve this. The sole is stitched onto the upper with a traditional Italian method called Blake stitching. This is an end-channel lock stitching technique, so even if one stitch was worn, the others will still be locked securely in place. And being stitched, the sole can be replaced when it does eventually wear. But to extend the sole's life, we use a rubber insert for added wear and better grip. There's a 25mm genuine leather stacked heel held with 4 brass pins, and a rubber piece, again for better wear and grip, that can be easily replaced. There is a gentleman's corner, a small bevel that reduces snagging of the heel on your trousers. So that is our Bourne monk strap shoe, a beautifully Italian made high quality shoe that with care should give you many years of enjoyment. If you have any questions, please do let us know, and thank you for watching.